तो रुको जरा, सब्र करो।
Welcome back guys, today we will unbox Samsung A51, so let's get started. So the Galaxy A51 arrives in a familiar white box with glossy print on the top of the phone. And here it is written 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant. We have this phone on Prism Cross white color. Okay, so let's break the seal.
को आता ही नहीं है, इनको पता ही नहीं है.
Okay, so finally got through, and let's unbox. Inside you will sure enough find the Galaxy A51, and in the upper module of the box this part contains the quick start guide, the regional log guide, warranty card and the protective transparent caps. It comes along a SIM ejecting pin. Let's keep our Samsung Galaxy A51 aside and move on to the next. Okay, so this one is a basic set of Samsung earbuds, in-ear type earphones. It comes along a 3.5mm audio jack. Next one is our charging cable. It supports fast charging. It is from USB-A to Type-C. And next one is our charging adapter, 15W tried and tested quick charge 2.0 based on Samsung fast charging. So these are all comes along this box. Now let's keep this stuff aside and move on to our phone. So right here we have this Galaxy A51 in Prism Cross white color with a variant of 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. As you can see, it comes with a polycarbonate frame. Okay, so let's boot the phone and talk about other features, as it comes with a 6.5 inches Super AMOLED display. On the right side it is looking sleek, and there is a power button, volume rockers. On the top there is a secondary mic. On the left side there is a SIM module. On the bottom there is a earphone jack, charging port, mic along with speaker grill. So in the back it is a polycarbonate frame. It reflects the light to 7 colors as in Prism. Here is 48 megapixel primary, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel depth along with flashlight. In the front there is a 32 megapixel wide angle camera. The bezels are thin in all the sides, so let me quickly set it off. Okay, now all set. So it is based on One UI 2.0 and Android 10. No third-party apps and apps there. It comes along with the protection of Knox security. Okay, if we move to the camera app, it comes with various options, as it supports 4K quality up to 30fps and 1080p up to 120fps, which is the slow-mo, with gyro EIS. In the mode there is macro camera, night sight and hyperlapse. If we talk about graphics, it has a GPU of Mali G72 MP3 and the processor is Exynos 9611 10nm, Samsung's own processor. The battery is 4000 mAh. Well, this phone is totally handy, and in the lock screen, the live lock screen is interesting. Okay, so let me just add my fingerprints. it is a one-time process, that's why it's taking time. Okay, it's added. Let's see how it's working. Well, it is the face unlock actually, which is really fast. Okay, let me cover the camera, it is not allowing me to put my fingers. Okay, so this was the first impression. Let's watch a video on YouTube. I'm setting the quality to 1080p just to check the display. Let me turn off the lights so that you can see clearly how this Infinity War display actually looks like. So this is a quick access to the compass, and all the options are available like tally counter, torch light. Actually you can enhance and reduce the brightness of the light here. Then there is a surface level and a ruler. You can measure things on it.